the other side.
We rented a convertible at Las Vegas and drove down all the way to Hoover Dam. It's a short and scenic drive. Hoover Dam, once known as Boulder Dam, is a concrete anti-gravity dam in the Black Canyon of the Colorado River on the border between Arizona and Nevada. In fact, you could see two time zones on the bridge. You could see Arizona one side and Nevada another. It attracts more than 1 million visitors a year. So you have visitor center, plaza, guided tours, but we decided to do it on our own. And then you have both paid and free parking, which makes it all the more easy. Away from the glitter and glam of Las Vegas, today I'm at Lake Mead, a very peaceful and calm getaway an hour away from Las Vegas. We took a quick detour from Hoover Dam to Lake Mead, which comes on the way, and when you go to the right side from the Lake Mead ticketing booth, then it's Lake Mead, and if you go 16 miles left side, it's Las Vegas Strip via Boulder City. My videos, do not forget to like, subscribe and comment below, and oh yeah, do not forget to share as well. Today is our first day in Vegas.